And if they can, they return to the same nest site each year. This one is waiting for its partner to arrive. They pair for life, but only come together for the short breeding season. After 9 months apart, they are united once again. This couple are among the lucky ones. They have a chance of raising a family this year, but some will never find a home. The urban world on which they have relied is changing. With fewer places to nest, swift populations the world over are in decline. In this nest, good news. The parents are now raising 2 chicks. Growing youngsters need feeding every hour. Swifts do everything on the wing, from catching thousands of insects to collecting water, a task which requires very precise aerial maneuvers. In a few weeks, these chicks will also take to the skies. They may then remain in the air continuously for 3 years until they're mature enough to return and breed themselves.